You guys, we have just arrived here at the Haunted Hoochie at Dead Acres here in Pataskala, Ohio. Pataskala, Ohio, just on the east side of Columbus. So we're gonna show you around the midway here a little bit. We cannot take you inside, but I'd like to show you around the midway here. Yes, oh my gosh, this dark ride. Maybe we can take you through there. I bet they'll let us take you through there. So stick around here, guys, and we're gonna show you as much of our experience here at Dead Acres as we can. Let's get scared. Tammy's getting in the coffin. First time at the Hoochie, and she's getting in the coffin. Do you have any last words? We love you too. Don't talk about her. Oh, there's a camera up there. Yeah. We can see you. Oh, there she is. Oh God. It's going nuts. It's going crazy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Shaking it around.
It got stuck again. Did you hit the latch on the inside?
Hit the latch. Hit the latch. Tammy, hit the latch. Quick, Tammy, hit the latch. You have a limited air supply. All right, so before we get into the Haunted Hoochie real quick, we do have permission to film inside this dark ride, so we're gonna take you inside of there. Oh, they're gonna come in and scare us, maybe? Maybe? Oh gosh. Oh, the floor tilts. Holy crap. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, the floor's, holy crap, it's a conveyor. Whee! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Holy crap. Oh God, look out, Steve. Oh my God. You have to go into the spinny thing.
Run, go, go, go.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. I have no hands, I can't hold on. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. Be careful, Stephanie. Oh gosh. Now going up the stairs. Oh my. Oh gosh. What is happening? You walk out there? Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh gosh, up and down. Oh gosh. Help! Oh gosh. Getting skinny. Oh gosh. Getting skinny. Oh gosh. Oh my, we gotta go in these bars. Holy crap. Holy cow. Where'd they go? Oh gosh, upstairs. Oh, he's coming after us. Oh. There's more people. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Swingy bridge. Ah! Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe. Oh, you gotta walk over it? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh gosh. Oh my. Holy crap. Ah! Oh gosh. Tammy went down the slide? They have a slide? They have a freaking slide. Go for it.
I don't know, that's creepy.
You ripped your pants?
I'm gonna take the stairs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the stairs.
Oh, there you go. Oh, nice and easy. Okay, yeah. Nora's going stairs. We gotta go down the slide. Oh God. Okay, okay, oh God. What's happening? Okay, okay. Up. Okay. Down the slide. Come on, Steve. Whee!
I think that was the scariest funhouse like that I've ever done though.
Holy crap.
The actors in there made that awesome.
They did. Okay guys, holy freaking cow. So, of course we did the Haunted Hoochie first. They absolutely obliterated us in there. Oh my gosh, so many new things. Yeah, so much, like you can go through there, I'm pretty sure 10, 15, 20 times and not see everything, holy cow. So like they had like blood dripping down the walls, like just beasts and monsters all over the place in there. They got like, you go to some of these haunting, like you'll see a big animatronic somewhere, like, but here when you see those, there's like 6 of them. And they're all coming at you all at once. The strobes are freaking crazy. And it is a touch haunt. It's one of it feels like it's one of the most extreme ones in Ohio. Some of it's light touch, other ones they'll just grab you and move you all around. The chainsaws here are absolutely insane. They will touch you with the chainsaws. If you're scared of chainsaws, I wish you luck if you decide to try to come through here. Like, if you're a guy, like they'll run them up between your legs. If you're girls, they'll run them up your butt. Like they have no filter, they do not care. Cannot say enough good things about the place. I mean, there's a whole airplane inside of here, Haunted Hoochie Airlines, they call it. New this year, I think, is they have a baby butcher factory, so that was quite interesting to watch. They still got the demon baby birth. If you're easily offended, definitely not the place to come. But if you have a kind of sick and twisted sense of humor like the rest of us, you can definitely appreciate the brutal horror that goes on here. So, once again, thoroughly effed up by the Haunted Hoochie and loving every single minute of it. So I think general admission was $30, $35 this year. And VIP I think was $60. Thank you so much to Haunted Hoochie hooking us up with some VIP tickets. We very much appreciate that. If you don't follow our website yet, make sure you check that out. That's where we'll be posting our full review with ratings. You can check that out on our website, thescarefactor.com. While you're there, sign up for our Haunted Advisor newsletter. That's where we'll send you all of our updates. If you want to see some full walkthroughs of haunted attractions, subscribe here to the channel. We've got them all over the place. And we've even got exclusive content on the members side, so sign up to be a member. If you're out late driving to haunted houses like we are, try a horror-themed energy drink called FrankenFuel. We've got a code you can save 15% on your online order here in the description. Check that out too. And for more haunts like this in Ohio, I got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.